Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Anytime you're watching this, this is XYZ, and this is day 5 of the 90 days XYZ challenge, right? We've done day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, and day 5, right? I'm so happy that you're here. I'm grateful and I'm thankful, right? So today we'll be talking about, we're still on structure, right? But today the kind of structure that we'll be talking about will be, sorry, I think I have sore throat, would be basic structure, right? That's normal structure, and what we call strong highs and strong lows, weak highs and weak lows. Then also reversals. We're talking about reversals and continuation, right? Now let's get into it because we're treating is kind of much today. So everybody know about this. So high, low, high, low, high, right? Now for every high right here and a low, every high, every low, every high, every low, right? There's always something like this in the market. When price will come up here, right? Give us a sweep, right? Then go down. Come back here, something like this. Give us another sweep, then go up. Right now for this eye right here, this eye right here, this eye right here, right, will be seen as this eye right here, right? This low right here, right, will be seen as this low right here. This eye right here will be seen as this eye right here. This low right here will be seen as this low right here. This eye right here will be seen as this eye right here. This low right here will be seen as this low right here. This eye right here will be seen as this eye right here. Now I'm not going to waste time, right, talking about so much things about it. You get? So the only thing that you need to understand straight to the point is, this is, if we are bullish, this is a weak eye. Why? Because price will end up taking it. If we are bullish, this is a strong low, right? Why? Because this is the low that is going to break through this eye. Do you get me? So anytime you're seeing a bullish price action and you see a sweep and a break, right, that is coming down, just mark that eye. That price is going to come back to that eye. Then what you'll be looking for on this side would be a sweep and break, right? It will be a sweep and break that price is going to run into before coming back to this weak eye. I get me. That's why it just keeps on moving, right? Now let's move on. Now there are two things about this now, right? I want to show you something. Like, this most likely happen on the daily, right? This most likely happen on the daily. I'm not saying there won't be lows right here. There will be lows inside here, right, on the daily. But looking at it on the daily, you might not see it like clearly, right? Like, you might just sometimes you might just see like eyes low, eye low, eye low. Are you getting me? Now, all I want you to know that this right here, we'll be looking for it on the 4-hour time frame. I'm not saying we can't find this on the daily, but right here, this right here would most likely show up on the 4-hour. Are you understanding me? Meaning if we see this high low like this, probably coming down, maybe there's a low right here taking it out, probably there's a low right here taking it out, probably there's a low right here taking out. I want you to know that to catch these reversals, these legs, which are this right here, these are reversals, these are continuations, right? To catch it, you have to go to the 4-hour time frame of the daily time frame. I get me. So let's check some examples. I'm going to be sharing more things there also. So let's start from right here. Now, if you look at this chart, what can you notice? Just think about it. What can you notice? Let's start our analysis from here. Let's just start from here. Right here, we had a sweep, right? And we had a break. And we had a break right here, right? Next up, we had another break to the downside, right? The next up, we had what again? Another break to the downside, right? What else did you have? Another break to the downside, right? Next up, we had another break to the downside. Next up, we had another break to the downside, right? Then what did we have again? We had this, a break to the upside, right? A break to the upside. As little as that is, right? It really matters. Break to the upside. Next thing, we had what? Another break to the upside right here, right? You notice how price came right here on the daily. It gave us this break. Everybody would have been thinking, okay, yeah, we're going to sell, because you know that, okay, yeah, when price gives break on the live chart, it's most likely move. Yeah, sir. But knowing about this kind of highs and low structure, and knowing when 4 hour comes in, you will understand that this low is not anything right here, right? It just probably came back to this fair value gap. Most of you don't know what is fair value gap, so I'll be treating that later. It just came back there to move up, right? Now we had something again. We had this break right here, right? We were expecting price to what? Sell. Why? To sell to where? You can see we have been bearish right here. We've been bearish right here, right? But later on, price switched to buys. You get, so we are supposed to be sorry. We are supposed to be bearish, but price did its thing and moved. But that's not what I care about. What I care about right now, that I'm here to show you guys, is this high, this low, this low, this high, 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 this low, right? This high, this low, this high, this low, this high, this low, right? This low, this high, right? Just keep on going like that. Right here, this high, this low, right? This high, right? Then this right here. Do you get? Then overall, everything is happening here. Do you understand? So let's go back to it. Now you can see, what can you say? Daily is giving us down, close, breakouts, right? But what is on the 4 hour time frame? What do we look for? We look for our range. Now, on the 4 hour time frame, to get this reversal, we want to catch it either on the line chart, or if you see it clearly, on the candlestick chart. Do you understand? So let's go to the 4 hour time frame. Now, to get this breakout, now if you look at this, what do you notice that price is doing? When price wanted to go up, what did it do? It gave us a break, right? Give us a break. Why didn't price retreat from here? Are you getting me? Why didn't price retreat from there? Until it gave us this break, that was when it had the full move to move up. Do you understand? And you might be saying, okay, yeah, price has given us a break right here, but the higher time frame controls the lower time frame. Right? Let's go to the daily and see something. look at this. Our main break right here was to the downside. You understand? So this break, seeing this break right here, would be skeptical. You get? We want to buy and also want to sell. Why? Our sales will be cautious. Our sales won't be that much. We will just be following any opportunity that we get. Then if we get an opportunity to buy, we buy. But until opportunity shows itself, we keep on selling. You understand? Because we came back here. See where we came back to. Do you understand? On the 4 time frame, let's go back. Now, for you to retrace from there, what did you notice that happened right there? 4 hour gave us what? A breakout to the downside. Which price continued and didn't come back. Now, I've told you that inside every range, what you want to expect is price not doing this again. Price not doing this like this. Right? It will happen inside the range, but it's not every time. The only thing that you expect inside to catch continuation trade inside the range would just be this. Keep on just going out. Breakouts. Do you get me? That will be breakouts on the 4 time frame. Do you understand? And that's what you can see that's happening here. It just kept going down. Break. Little as this break is on the line chart, it means a lot. Look at this. Break. Just kept on going down until when it got to where it wanted to retrace. You can see even this break held. This break right here. This break held. You understand? Which price used to push down price a little bit before breaking it and saying, okay, yeah, we want to buy now. You understand? Now, when price wanted to move down, when price wanted to move to the downside, what did you do? Now, this break that you're seeing, if you notice how it is happening, it's happening with momentum. It has to happen with momentum. It's not just any kind of break. You understand? Look at this movement to the upside. Look at how this break was sharp. This break was very, very sharp. You understand? Now, if you now take a look at this, how did this get broken? How did it get broken? With momentum. Look at how the candle moved down with speed. Do you understand? Move down with speed. Now, this is not the reason I will consider it moving down. There will have to be something that price came to, but we're not treating POI now. Do you understand? So I'm just letting you know about that. So continue like that. Now, I told you that we only expect like breakout. Any buy opportunity we see, we're not going to take it. You understand? So some people will be buying from here. Buying to where? We are not buying. We're already bearish. As long as this has happened, any trader will be looking for till this low gets taken out would be sales. Do you understand? Would be sales. So that is why I see that price kept on moving from here. Price kept on breaking the lows right here, breaking the lows, this low, and it kept on moving non-stop. You understand? Now, when price wanted to, you can see after this low was taken out, what can you see? Price kept on following the breakout that I told you about. Just kept until it gave us this break with what? Momentum. You understand? That's when price now came back here before going here. You understand? So when you wanted to come down here, right? Look at this. Looking at this break, we're supposed to come down. All of this break has happened. But what happened? Market did this thing. And now, it's not that market did this thing. There's something that happened right here. Look at this. There's a swing. There's a range right here. We haven't got to range, but I'm sure most of you know about this range high and range low that I talked about before. Something happened right here. We had this break right here. This was why price came down here and still used this to buy. You understand? To use this to buy, because we already had a place that was swept and this place got broken. You understand? So this breaks right here was like mini breaks to this like whole break. You understand? That's why price used this to buy. Do you get? Price used this to buy to where? To this high. Now you might be saying price go to the high, we are bullish. No, we are not yet bullish because price didn't break above the high. It only swept it. Now after he swept it, seeing that price had already swept it like that, right, we now add a break immediately with what, see the candle, crazy rejection from that eye. You understand? But just supposed to just continue like that to the downside. Now what happened on the downside? Trade continuations, entry like that. It just kept on going. You see how it just kept on going? Anyone would have caught a trade from here without just this, with just this. Look at this, to this low. With this to this low. Do you understand? Just kept on going like that. Immediately this even gave us another break. We have found another entry again, probably from here, and it just kept on going down. Do you understand? Until this low was taken out. Until that low was taken out. Now, in the last video, I wanted to consider that to consider a range high, right? To consider a range high, we need to see, remember that these blue lines that I marked, all these blue lines are daily highs. Remember, so let's go back to what we were doing. Now, when price wanted to retrace right here, what did you say it did? It came here and it did what? Gave us this break, which price used to continue. Do you understand? Which price used to continue upward. Now it's this break that matters. This break that matters for now to get. Until we now took this high. You get it? Once you have started having break, just expect a shape to break. Do you understand? Once an A shape has gotten broken, I now think of selling. Now you just kept on going up like that, up, high, low, high, low, high, low. Do you understand? It got to this low, but it didn't break it high. Then we expect it to come to this low. Now, until this low was taken, this key level got broken right here. With what? Look at how it's broke. Momentum. Look at this candle. Do you understand? That's when price continued. Even after price gave us that break and it gave us this new break, most people will be expecting that, okay, yeah, price should retrace deep and continue. But no, now that you understand that single breakouts now matters, you would have gotten a trade from here, right here. You would have gotten a trade from right here. A trade is valid from here, right? To this same low. Do you understand? To this same low. Now, with this break that happened right here, so there have been another break. Do you understand? To the low, continuing like that. Now, price came here and gave us this. You guys might be asking, is this a swing high or not? Most times I use it as a swing high. Why? Because on the line chart, it gave us a sweep and a break. You understand? So let's go back. That's why I see, and there was liquidity to take out. There was all this to take out. But I've never gotten to liquidity. We'll still get there. There was all this to take out. You understand? But when price wanted to move down, I'm only talking about the movement. Look at this. This movement. See how it just kept on going up. When price wanted to go down, what did you see that happened? This break, how did it happen? Momentum. Do you understand? So let's keep on going. Look at the continuation breaks. After that continuation first break, price just kept on going down. Do you understand? Same thing right here. Look at this momentum break. Look at this momentum break right here. Just went down like immediately, boom, one. Do you understand? And it just kept on going. That direction. Do you understand? Just kept on going that direction. Then when price wanted to move again to the upside, look at what it did. Price is supposed to move from here. I don't know why it didn't move from there, but look at what it did. One. Do you understand? It just went one. Now, we're supposed to still sell, right? But take your time to think about why did we not sell? Why did we not sell from here? Why did price take out that high? Think about it. Pause the video and just think about it. because we not have any break to this down, any 4 hour break to this downside. You know, this is a 1 hour, this is a daily high, this is a daily low, this is a daily low, right? Every daily low reversal is a 4 hour breakout. Do you understand? So right here we didn't have any breakouts. Do you understand? We just continued. Now we would have seen this as a breakout. We would have seen this as probably price trying to come down. You understand? But no. I don't see why we should be bullish and be looking for sales. You understand? When it's not like a clear reversal. Now you see that price did clear this low. Price cleared this low, gave us this break, and price just continued that way. Now we'll be saying that why did this price just continue to the upside with this break, right? You can see that why did price continue. Now, anytime you have something like this, a swing, like, and another break near it, you understand? Price will most likely come back and use this one and go up, giving us this as a fake breakout. Do you understand? Which is what happened here. Do you understand? Now, if this is not comfortable for you to just buy off from, you can still wait. Look at this. Give us another breakout. Many people have gotten in right here comfortably, right here, right here, and would have joined the buys. Do you understand? Would have joined the buys. But people that had the mind would have already joined from here. If you can even join from there also, and right here. Now that you know more about this kind of structures, you understand? It's just something that you go to your chart and you backtest, sorry. You study it and find a way out through it. Do you understand? So now price just kept on going up. Now for when it wanted to move downward, what did you see that happened? Right here, you can see this is the eye. I don't care about all this because this is the like main eye, the reversal eye. You understand? Price wanted to move down, it came here. Right now, a lot of you might be asking that why did price just take out this eye, right? After breaking this low, it gave us a clean break right here. Right now, I'm going to show you something that you will never even see coming. We had this break right here. If you notice what price did something here, sweep, right, and it gave us this breakout. Same thing I told you here. Anytime you see a sweep and a break and a single one, price will most likely use it. See what I haven't got here. What the price do? Price used it into this key level that wasn't tested before. You can see that from this previous key level was tested with this one, but this one wasn't. That's why after this sweep and break, and this price just give us an high right here and a low. Price came back to this one and continue going down. You understand? So that's the high, that's the low. You understand? So price continues that way. Even when price wanted to retrace right here, what did you notice happened? How did it break? It's momentum. It's that momentum you have to be looking at. Look at how the price just moved one. Do you understand? So let's move on. Now price later came to this low. I don't know the reason. Markets has its own way of doing things. I don't know the reason. But price moved to this low. Then later on, it's moved up. Moving up, price just kept on buying. Like you can see that price, the only thing that price is doing is breakouts, right? The breakout. Then we can see that this is a daily high, right? What happened in that daily high for it to reverse? Breakout to the downside. Give us this breakout to the downside. You can see. Then it just kept on going. Now, I told you something again. There's a sweep right here, and there's a break right here. Why did price just continue with all these little breakouts? I already told you. When there's a sweep and there's a break, price will most likely retrace very very well, like to the like a key level that was supposed to be tested last but was ignored, which is this one. You can see it, which is this one. Then you can see this is an low, this is an high. How did this retrace momentum? You understand? This low continue now. Now this break right here, this is a break right here. You might be saying, okay, yeah, price might want to like, what's this now? Price might want to start selling, but if you look at the bigger picture, look at the bigger picture right here, what can you see? A sweep, right, and a break. Can you see this? A sweep and a break, where price is just retracing downward, probably to continue to the upside. We don't know that yet. I'll take out this eye. Right? Take out this eye. Do you understand? So there's something else I want to share with you guys. Anytime you might be seeing a structure like this, right? Probably price now add something like sweep like this inside it. Price might not come back and use it. Price might not come back. Price might, I told you that anytime we look for like taking out, price might just come back and use this and continue going up. Sometimes this low can even be here. This can even be as it can even be here. You understand? This can even be here, and if you ignore these remaining parts, and you still go. That was what happened. That was what happened in some places. You understand? So we've come to the end of day 4 and structure. So if you've learned one or two, repost, share to your friends. Thank you so much for being here from day 1 to day 5.